welcome back everybody. In today's video we're going to be installing this RT style spoiler on my 2008 Dodge Charger SE Plus. Sorry, it's a tongue twister. So we actually got this guy off of eBay for $100. Comes painted, paint matched and everything. All you have to do is send them the code and it sends you all the hardware and pieces that you need to put in to go ahead and install it. So we're gonna mock it up. We already went ahead and installed I want to say like the layout on it already, so we're about pretty much ready to go ahead and drill the holes, but forgot about you guys, so we're gonna do that right now. Alright, so we already went ahead, like I said, and mocked up these layouts. So all you actually have to do is you'll grab these little black pieces and you'll, like, if you look over here, you can see that they have little pegs that actually go inside the bolt holes that you'll go ahead and line up, and all you do is line them up and barely tape them to the underside of this before you tape it to the car. And then, like as you can see here, let's see.
If you guys have a charger yourself, it should be 1 inch from, what's it called again?
1 inch from the end of the trunk lid,
and 6
and
going.
Yeah, 6 inches from the actual like spoke of the spoiler to the edge of the trunk on both sides. So we went ahead and already measured that out. So all we have to do now is pretty much drill in the hole and then we'll be good to go. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start drilling. Wish me luck, because there's no going back after this. Just make sure it's straight.
I almost got it for you.
Alright, hold it so it stays still, so it doesn't move.
I think it's getting covered.
Oh god. Alright, so now all we're gonna do is go ahead and install these gaskets on the top of the, or on the bottom of this here spoiler. So I got this side, he's got this side. So it's pretty much straightforward from this. Oh shit. Alright, so now all we're gonna do is we're gonna put these bolts up inside here, so that way we can go ahead and seat the spoiler into its final place. If you can see, the dealership already has like pre-made holes right here, and I mean that one's kind of obvious where it goes. So so we're gonna go ahead and just he's gonna grab the spoiler real fast. I'm gonna put this through there while, like, I'm gonna aim this down because you don't want the bolt to actually fall in through here, so you gotta be very careful on how you do it. All right, so you want to go grab that and drop this down just a little bit. There you go. Does it work? No. Is it through? What's your hand?
Yes.
Is it on it?
I think so.
Okay.
Let that go. You see?
Yeah. Alright. Go ahead and got the top bolt right here. Go ahead and hang on to it just a little bit. So if you come over here and you see, we left these bolts in here just a little loose, so that way we can like make sure that it sits even across it. So now all we have to do is install these last two and then tighten them all up as soon as it sits flat against the car. so I just want to say a big thank you to everybody who stopped in so far and has seen everything that I've done so far. I know I've been skipping out on some stuff that I haven't done already, like the splitter, the claw marks, and the 2 side stripes on the front left fender. But I want to seriously say thank you to you guys. So if you guys want more videos like this for the car, go ahead and smash that like button, give me a subscribe, and if you have any more cool ideas for this car, let me know in the comments below and we'll make it happen. So thank you guys. You guys have a good day. Alright, welcome back everybody. What up everybody? Today we're going to be installing a RT. Welcome back everybody.